Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys really seem to enjoy my affordable skincare series. So in 2023, I have pledged to try more affordable products and try making these videos for you. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about 5 such products which are not only great in quality but are super affordable under the budget of 500 obviously. So here you go, my top 5 skincare picks under 500. We are gonna go with the most affordable cleanser that I found, which became my favorite cleanser by just using it for a couple of days, which is this particular cleanser from Dot & Key. This is their barrier repair plus hydrating gentle face wash. The pH is great. It is a gel-based face wash. The surfactants are super nice. It has the goodness of probiotics and essential ceramide. It also has rice water extract, and which is similar to the Face Shop one, but most of you guys will prefer this one because it is fragrance free, it is normal, dry and sensitive skin friendly, as well as it doesn't dries out your skin, which the Face Shop one might do for extremely dry skin. This is a great face wash, lathers up beautifully, cleanses out your skin thoroughly without stripping your skin, and this is personally my boyfriend's and my current favorite face wash. It only costs about 295 rupees, but it's a sale, you can easily get this for 250 bucks and you get about 100 ml of product, which is great. The sunscreen is the most important step of your skincare routine, and you guys know I'm a sunscreen preacher. So here you go, this particular sunscreen from Deconstruct Skincare. I think it comes out of the budget of 400 rupees, and this has an SPF rating of 55 plus and PA rating of 3 pluses. It does has benzoquinone 3, which some of you guys might hate. It always depends upon the concentration. Filter wise, it's a great sunscreen and the texture is brilliant. It is going to work for majority of the skin tones. It gives you this demi matte finish, super cooling to your skin, and doesn't really dries your skin out, keeps your skin well moisturized without having that dryness. It is non-greasy and non-sticky. It sits beautifully under makeup and top of your moisturizer. I have used this with different moisturizer. It didn't pill on me, so that explains a lot, and one of the best sunscreen in that under 500 rupees price mark, and a couple of sunscreen videos are on the way, so stay tuned for that. Coming on to the next product, which is my holy grail, my boyfriend's absolute favorite moisturizer, which is the Simple's Hydrating Light Moisturizer. No matter how many types of different moisturizers I've used in this price bracket of 300 to 400 rupees, Simple makes the best moisturizer, the best affordable moisturizer, and this is a great moisturizer for all skin types. My boyfriend's combination skin loves this moisturizer. If you want to know his thoughts, I will link the empties video that we both did. For the texture, it's super lightweight, it absorbs immediately, it doesn't sit on top of your skin, but it moisturizes, hydrates your skin. It also has a slight cooling sensation, which is really great, and the ingredient list is minimal, but it has the right amount of ingredients that would help your skin in achieving that healthy skin barrier. It does retail for 465 rupees or 125 ml, but you can always get it for 355 rupees in Amazon. And don't worry, all of the necessary links would be mentioned in the bottom box below. Coming on the next product, which is a serum, and it is one of my favorite serums for 2021 and 2022. I think it launched in the end of 2021 and I've been loving throughout the 2020. The product is the Plum's 10% niacinamide. They came up with the 5% one, which you can certainly try, but I personally like the milky texture that this 10% one has. I really like the serum. Niacinamide is great for controlling your sebum production, controlling acne, preventing acne to a certain extent, and obviously repairing your skin barrier. There are a lot of different benefits which you get by applying a niacinamide serum. I have made an entire video dedicated to niacinamide, which you can check it in the bottom box below, or I will link it in the I button right here. You get two sizes. The small one costs about 450 rupees, but in the sale, the bigger one also cost about like 450 to 500 rupees. So it's your take. The small one lasts me about like 20 to 21 days. But yeah, you can certainly get the big one. You only need like 2 to 3 drops of it and just pat it on top of your skin. I tend to use a niacinamide based serum, layer it up with a vitamin C serum during the daytime, and that gives me the best results. Coming on to last but not the least, the Dot & Key's Gloss Bomb Lip Balm, which also has vitamin C and E. Comes with an SPF rating of 30 and by far the best lip balm I have ever used. Couple of different reasons. First of all, it comes with beautiful tint. I have personally tried 2 of their tints. First one is the watermelon one and the other one is a cherry one. They differ in texture. I personally love the watermelon one one. It's very water-like and it doesn't feel heavy. The cherry one is slightly thicker but has a better tint, and it is kind of like my lips but better color for me. But they also have a non-tinted one, and they also come with different tints obviously. Second reason that I really like this lip balm is that it doesn't dries out your lips. There are a gazillion lip balms present out there which dries out your lips as you apply it, so that's a great thing. And lastly, it comes in this cute packaging. Reminds me of Borolene for some reason. So yeah, these were all of my top 5 under 500 skincare picks. If you want to see more of such videos, do show some love by liking this video. Comment down below which was your favorite from the products that I mentioned. Share this video to any of your friends who are looking into affordable skincare and maybe in general are looking for products that are bang for their buck. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.